Yeah, Shannon, Mike. Well, for the first time in over 12 hours, Greensburg is getting somewhat of a break. That's not to say the snow isn't coming down still. It is, but just not as hard. And it's also not as windy tonight at this time. So I'll step to the side and show you the roads. Most of the roads in downtown Greensburg look just like this. You can see they're not great, but crews on the county, state, and city level have been doing their very best here in downtown Greensburg. But as we heard from officials, it's been a challenge to keep up with the roads because the snow just wasn't letting up. The Greensburg Public Works Director says they have 11 vehicles out. The main focus was plowing the main roads. They plan to shift to salting once the snow lets up. It'll be interesting to see if that's going to happen during this time. They were trying to conserve salt earlier. Now they're managing 55 miles of roads and 20 miles of alleys. We've seen some cars out. We talked to a couple in a pickup truck earlier about why they were on the road. Here's what they had to say.
Well, actually, we're checking on all the old people, taking milk and bread to them. And now we're heading to Delmont to see another older lady that's out there that needs help. So we're going out there to help her now.
Love to see neighbors helping neighbors. Well, that's all for right now here in Westmoreland County and Greensburg. We'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
All right.